Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. Happy Friday to everyone. I don't know about you guys, but this week has been like the longest week ever. So I am so happy that it is Friday. So Family Dollar has blessed us with a brand new 5 off of 25. But the thing about this 5 off of 25 is that we need to use it quick. It does expire tomorrow. So I'm going to go in here and do at least one all digital deal. We're going to be using all digital coupons. Anyone can do this deal. All you have to do is download the Family Dollar app or go onto their website, create a digital coupon account. They call it Smart Coupons. Create an account, enter your phone number at the register after you load the same coupons that I'm going to use. Add those items to your shopping cart, put your phone number in at the register and check out. Super easy, super simple, all digital. So let's go in here and see what we can do. Okay, you guys, so before I get started with the all digital deal, I just want to point out that my store has added some new things over to the clearance section. The ones that I'm most interested in are these hair care items. So we do have a $2 off 2 digital coupon for the herbal essence. We have a paper buy one get one free coupon for the Garnier Fructis. And if you look at that, it is on clearance for $1.72. And if they're still doing that 50% off, that should be a really good deal with the $4 off of 2 paper coupon on that. So I may add just a couple things to my deal. There's some more Garnier Fructis there. I'm going to see what I can do with some of this clearance as well. Okay, so now let's get started with our digital transaction. So the first item I am going to pick up is some of the Downy. I am going to get some of the Unstoppables. So these are on sale this week for $6.95, and then we have a $3 off 1 digital coupon. I'm going to grab the Unstoppables, but the liquid should also be on sale, but you need to grab the bigger bottles of the liquid. So the big ones down there, but I want some. These pink Unstoppables are my favorite, so this is the first item that I'm going to pick up. Item number 2 is going to be the Tide Pods. So these are $4.95 regular price. And then we have a smart coupon for $3 off. I am going to add those in next. The next item I am going to grab is the Tide Liquid Laundry Detergent. So it is $5.50. We have a $2 off 1 digital coupon. And so I'm going to use that coupon on this item and add it into my transaction. The next item on the list is these Kleenex Slim Packs. I'm going to zoom in on which one this is. These are the 3-pack 10 counts for $1.50 each. We have a $2 off 2 digital coupon. I'm going to add 2 of these in next. The final item on my list is the Febreze, and as you can see, they have very low stock here, but these are $3 each, and we have a $3 off 2 digital coupon. Last video I used some on the car. This time I am going to grab the spray and use that $3 off 2 digital coupon. Okay, so now let's do a cart review to go over everything that we got. So we have our Tide Liquid Laundry Detergent. We are going to use the $2 off 1 digital coupon. We have our Tide Pods. We are going to use the $3 off 1 digital coupon. We have our Febreze. We're going to use the $3 off 2 digital coupon. And then we have our Downy Unstoppables. Those are the 10 ounce. We are going to use the $3 off digital coupon. We have 2 of the Kleenex Slim Pack 3 counts. We are going to use the $2 off 2 digital coupon. And then I also threw in 2 of the clearance Garnier Fructis. You do not have to have those. You can act like those are not here. I'm just throwing those in because they should come out to about free after the $4 off of 2 paper coupon that I'm using from the 714 Retail Me Not. So that is everything in this first transaction. Let's go check out. So I have checked out and everything worked out, I think, pretty well. So the Febreze is there, the Downy, the Kleenex, the Tide Pods, the Garnier Fructis, the Tide Liquid. My subtotal came out to $8.87. If you omit the Garnier Fructis and don't grab that, your subtotal will be $8.40. So remember that you can act like that Garnier is not involved in this transaction. My total savings today was $18. $15. Something to note about the clearance items, if you do decide to grab some clearance in your transaction, is this clearance is ringing up for exactly what it is marked, so there's no additional discount that did come off of that. So I did end up paying 47 cents for the shampoo and conditioner because one of them was the big bottle, but not bad at all. I got a total of 9 items for $8.87, so less than $1 per item. I can definitely live with that. There are some other digital coupons that we have, so I definitely recommend that you go through your account and see if you can mix and match and come up with some things that may work well for you. I just wanted to kind of keep my out-of-pocket under $10, so this transaction is the best for me. But let me know if you have any questions. I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a awesome day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.